So we've all become quite good at deadheading our roses and improving the amount of time which they flower for by taking off the old heads, but we're rather less good at dealing with many of the commoner herbaceous plants which also need dealing with in the same way. And this is a lovely bed full of white Iris siberica. There's only one flower left and the rest are all putting up these great big seeds which you can very clearly see here. And they're just about to start to swell, and the energy that they take in doing the swelling will basically take a lot of energy away from the plant that could next year be spent producing more flowers. So in the ideal world, what we need to do is to just gently break or cut off the seed heads, perhaps the whole stalk, but certainly just the seed heads. And now I'm going to ask my granddaughter Isla to come and help me break off one or two more. So we're going to break that one off. Oh, there we are. There's another one.
Too hard.
No, you go to the end, then pull.
Pull.
Oh,
2 hands.
well done. Well done.
Put it on the floor.
So with a little bit more time and a little bit more of Isla's help, whole border. And we've got rid of all those seed pods before any damage has been done to the plants.
There's one more to go.
Another one to go here. Okay, you help with that one.
We need your chocolate.
Will you have a pull first?
Yeah, pull with 2 hands.
No use.
There we are. Have a pull. There we go. There's one. There's the other.